Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Shivangi.
Sir, one of my friend had joined, Arpita Pandey. She's my friend.
Okay,
Good
and
evening, sir.
good evening. She is joining on the right day. Today we are going to revise our day 1 to day 8. So she is
Yes,
going
sir.
to have a feel of day 1 to day 8, and then we'll see. Today is Monday. Wednesday we will have the exam, and
Okay, sir.
I will send her all the PDFs, or you can send if you have all the PDFs. And then, if there's a problem in understanding, then Arpita, we can have a session, and then we can discuss all the gaps. Or if I will get some
Thank you so much, sir.
three, four students, then we can go for a fresh batch also. Let's see how it
Sir,
goes.
all the PDFs are not available in our group, sir.
All are there.
I
All are there.
think
All are there. 7 and 8, I did not send. Today I have sent that also.
7 or 8 only because from till day 6 I have written in my copy.
Okay, so 7 8 also I have sent, and on the channel, I think all classes are there.
Till day 5 it is there, sir. I have seen today.
Actually,
Yes, sir. Till day 5.
6, 7, 8 also I have posted, and 8 I have written French ki Pathshala session 8, but 6 and 7 I have not numbered, so you are getting confused.
Okay, sir. Okay.
But all are there. So what I will do today also I will do the numbering so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so Ananya
Okay,
also has
sir.
come. So now we will start quickly our revision. Okay, so Ananya, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
So where you were lost? Today you are asking at 4 o'clock, PDF of 7 and 8.
Sir, no, sir. Actually, I was checking my notes. Then I saw that I haven't note down the notes of seventh and eighth class. Then I checked the group. Then I saw that it is missing.
Okay, and also all classes are posted, recordings are posted on YouTube channel. Only thing is that 6 and 7 I have not numbered. It is only written French ki Pathshala. There's no numbering in that. So I will do that also.
Okay.
So
No,
maybe.
sir. Actually, I checked the playlist of French ki
Oh,
Pathshala. So
okay,
there
okay, okay.
are five videos.
Got it, got it. ठीक है. So I will
Oh, I have
do the
also seen the playlist.
so
That's
I
why
will
I
do the
was also
numbering, and
confused.
I will add in the playlist also. Fine. So today we are going to
Yes,
quickly
sir.
revise all classes from 1 to 8. So just fasten your seat
Okay.
belt and be there. Let me start the session. Okay, so starting with 1. Hmm. So screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So starting with day 1. Bienvenue à la classe de français. Welcome to the class of French language. And we discussed about French for beginners day 1. We discussed benefits of learning French language, right? So I'm not going to repeat it. You all have the PDF and you know the benefits. There are a lot of benefits. There's no doubt in that. And why study is important, same letters has, so script is same, English script and French one is same, and 45% English words are from French origin. That also we discussed. A nice view of Eiffel Tower. Apprenons le français. Let's learn the French language. And then we discussed where it is in Europe, and then It is like a hexagon shape. So also the nickname of France is hexagon. Then this is Drapeau Français, flag of France. And then we discussed few important things of France, like Festival de Cannes. It's a film festival. Then parfum is perfume. La fromage, that is cheese. Escargot, that is snail. And baguette, the famous bread of France. Then these
So
are the
is this a sir, what we call cheese in French?
snail.
Cheese, sir, cheese.
No,
Fromage.
fromage. Fromage. See, on the screen there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. The first one is Festival de Cannes, Cannes Film Festival. Second one is perfume, that is parfum. Fromage is cheese. Escargot is snail, and baguette is the French bread. These 4 photos are Mona Lisa, also known as Joconde, Napoleon Bonaparte, Tour de France, means cycle race of France, and Musée du Louvre, Louvre Museum, which is fantastic in France. All these things are there. Then we discussed words and phrases. Bienvenue is welcome. Bonjour mes amis, good morning my friends. Drapeau Français, fromage is cheese. Tour de France is a great bicycle race, and escargot is snail. Again, perfume, Festival de Cannes, Tour Eiffel, baguette, Musée du Louvre, and Napoleon Bonaparte. This also we learned. Hexagon, Joconde, Messi, beaucoup, salut, and bonsoir. These are the important cities of France. And if you will pay attention, you will find that all the wines of France, all the wines, they have these names: Bordeaux, Toulouse, Marseille, Nice. Means if that wine is being produced in these cities, they take the name of that particular city. That's it. This was our day 1. Now coming to day 2. Okay. Again, bienvenue à la classe de français. And this we discussed directions: north, nord, a, sud, sud, sud-west, west, northwest. So north, sud, east, west. Okay, then again a very magnificent view of Eiffel Tower. Day 2. And again, there are few phrases and words: salut, bonjour, au revoir, excusez-moi, comment vas-tu, merci, pardon, merci beaucoup. All famous phrases of. Okay, anyone who can answer me, comment vas-tu is how are you? A bit non-formal when we talk to our friends or juniors. If I am asking the same question to my senior elders, what phrase I'm going to make in place
Sir,
of?
comment allez-vous?
Very good, very good. Comment allez-vous is for elders. Learn French avec moi. So avec is with, moi means me. Learn French with me. Again, a nice photo of Eiffel Tower. Then monsieur, madame, mademoiselle, bonne nuit, à bientôt, je suis désolé. Again, few phrases of French language. So the last three is good night, see you soon, and I am sorry. Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? Ça va bien, mal, comme ci, comme ça. So again, comment ça va? Comment vas-tu? Comment allez-vous? All are same. How are you? How are you? Ça va is both question and answer. This also we discussed. If I'll ask as a question, ça va? And the answer can be ça va. So how are you? Ça va, I'm going fine. So the same thing that you can ask someone, fine, and he will say yes, fine. Both question and answer is same. Bien is good, mal is bad, and kam si kam sa is okay, okay. And then we discussed alphabet. Shivangi, please read for me A to Z.
Okay, sir. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, E, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. This is also done. And then there are few facts. 26 letters in French alphabet, 6 vowels and 20 consonants. One H is extra, which is pronounced as ash, but when it comes in the word, it takes the sound of the next vowel. It is based on the Latin alphabet, and W and K are not commonly used, seldom used words. This is your day 2. Now coming to day 3. Okay, so learn French. This is the magnificent view of Louvre Museum, Musée du Louvre. Day 3, and we discussed few facts that the France was taken from the Latin word Francia, which means the country of the Franks. I am the tallest structure in France. It is Eiffel Tower. I was the emperor, Napoleon Bonaparte. Beautiful river in France. Which one? Seine. I think Seine River.
Seine, sir.
Okay, I am long and thin, hard and outside and soft inside. This is the bread, which is called baguette. I am the most important city in France. Shelter, Eiffel Tower, and many other monuments. That is Paris. Paris in French, we call it is Paris. J'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. Paris, P-A-R-I, that's it. I'm the French flag, that is Drapeau Français. And then les salutations, we have discussed bonjour, bonne nuit, bonsoir, and l'alphabet we discussed till now. Again, bonjour, salut, comment ça va, bonsoir, ça va, bienvenue, salut, comment ça va. All these we discussed. And the answer is ça va bien, ça va mal, pas mal, not bad, comme ci, comme ça, and ça va bien, merci. For goodbye, au revoir, bonne nuit, à bientôt, à demain, and à tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. What is the meaning of this? À tout à l'heure.
Goodbye.
No.
See you later.
See you later on means if you feel that you are going to meet same day, but maybe in the evening or later on, see you later on. Okay. And then we have also learned, see you later on, see you later. And also we have learned that if you want to say, see you on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so A will come as it is, and then the name of that Landi, Mardi, Mercredi will come. That also we have discussed. And then we tried to learn few words. aéroport, bébé, coca, dindon, elephant, fromage, giraffe, ibu, then igloo, jaguar, kangaroo, leon, miel, nid, ouiseau, perroquet, rose, singe, tigre, tigre, uniform, wash, wagon, xylophone, yacht, zebra. Few words we discussed in the third class. I think Ananya has missed 2 classes. What I remember.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to day 4. Je parle français. I speak French language. I speak French. And I told you this is Champs-Élysées. Champs-Élysées. That is the victory gate of France. French Revolution time. All those who sacrificed their lives, they have built this gate in their honor. Then day 4, we discussed a ce soir, a demain, a mardi, bonne chance, avec plaisir. See you in the evening, see you tomorrow, see you on Tuesday, good luck, and with pleasure. And then we discussed les jours de la semaine, days of the week, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, and dimanche. So the main thing is that if I can pronounce it in the right way, that is important. And I think in the exam, this is going to be very, very clear how you have revised, how nicely you have gone through all the PDFs. Day 5, Je parle français. And this was what? Which church? Anyone who remembers?
Sir,
Mo.
is something.
Mo is for mountain. M-O-N-T. Mo.
Then yes, sir.
St. Louis Church. St. Louis Church. Day 5, and then we got some phrases. C'est quoi? C'est quoi? What is it? Ça n'est pas grave. No problem. Ça n'est pas grave. Pas grave means not serious. Ça n'est. This is not serious. So means no problem. Je ne sais pas. I don't know. Je suis désolé is again repeated. Je suis perdu. I am lost. Pourquoi pas? Why not? Qui est? Who is it? Quoi de neuf? What's new? Va-t'en? Go away. And puis-je faire ça? Can I do that? And then we discussed how we can reduce. Je m'appelle Dheeraj. Je viens d'India. J'habite à Muzaffarpur. J'apprends le français depuis un an. I have been learning French for a year. J'ai 43 ans. I am 43 years old. Je suis étudiant. And in case of female, je suis étudiante. Étudiante and étudiant. J'aime écouter de la musique. I enjoy listening to music. So these phrases we learned so that we can do a basic introduction. And then, les mois de l'année, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, october, November, and December. These are the months of the year in French. And again, few more points why to learn French. So expand your view of the world. You can appreciate the literature and you can understand the world in a better way because 40 countries are having French as their official language. Multiply your options for higher studies if you are willing to go out. Advance your career in not only Bangalore, all metros and big cities. Boost your CV. So even if you are not going to big cities, the moment you write that I know French language or I have a fair knowledge of French language, that's going to make your CV strong and improve your general culture because we discussed that French is having the most advanced literature and culture in the world. So cuisine is from, the basic of all cuisine is from France, fashion, France, literature. The maximum number of Nobel Prize for literature has been won by French people. So all these things are good enough that why we are learning French. Now coming to class 6. So everything which I am going to ask in the exam is going to come from these 8 PDFs. So just go through all of them and try to understand. If you have any doubt, any confusion, drop a message. You can talk to me tomorrow, first half, and clarify all your doubts. Parlez-vous français? This is a question. Parlez-vous français? Do you speak English? Right? And one more thing you can notice, when we will learn verb forms, then you will learn in detail. Parle, je parle français. The spelling was only P-A-R-L-E. Je parle français. I speak French language. But the moment we use vous, V-O-U-S, which is a word for you elders, automatically if you see, there is a Z, EZ in the verb form. Vous parlez, t'allez, A-L-L-E-Z. Right? So whenever we will learn, we'll come to know that in combination with vous, we add EZ in the verb forms, just to keep an eye. And then we discussed very fast all the past words and phrases. Salutation, bonjour, salut, ça va, comment ça va, comment allez-vous, bonsoir, bienvenue. This next ça va is the answer of that ça va. Ça va bien is very well. Ça va bien, merci, ça va mal, pas mal, comme si, comme ça, au revoir, à bientôt, à toute l'heure, à bonne nuit, à demain, monsieur, madame, mademoiselle, mrs, mesdames, and mademoiselle, Anne, dindon, ibu, uizo, sans, que, miel, nid, père, bébé, fée, mère, sorcière, tête, boîte, Noël, héroïne, garçon, français, je m'appelle François Lazier. Appelez s'il vous plaît, means spell your name please. Ça s'écrit comment? How is it written? So first I'm asking, what is your name? And then I'm asking for the spelling and then how it can be written. And then what was that? And then we started our accent. Ague, grave, trema, circumflex, and cedile. And it is on, trema is on EIU, grave is on AEU, ague is only on E, circumflex all on all 5, AEIOU, and cedile below C. Rest all are above and cedile is below C. And then we discussed their English name also, acute, grave, circumflex, trema, and cedilla. And then l'accent grave is on AEU. A and U, there is no change in the sound, but if it is on E, it is A, lèvre, manière, nièce, élève. And few more examples. If only A is there, it means has, but if A is having grave accent, then it works at preposition. LA without accent is feminine the, and with accent it is there. An example is voila, voila, see there, voila. On OU without accent or, and with accent where. And also we discussed that this is the only example of you having an accent. And then few phrases, bonjour, bonjour à tous. C'est assez pour aujourd'hui. That's enough for today. We know, fear, Garçon, s'il vous plaît. De rien is informal. Je vous en prie is formal for you are welcome. And quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Okay, okay, okay. Where is ague? We discussed only grave in this. Okay. I was remembering that we discussed both grave and ague. Okay, let's see the next one. Let's see the next one. That is number 7. I think by mistake, ague has gone. Okay, this is our number 7, I believe. Okay, this is again, I think, a repeat. This is a repeat, I believe. Okay. Okay. So l'accent circonflexe, which is on all 5 of them, all 5 vowels. No change in sound in case of A, I, O, U. But E, it is like grave, A, fash, bâtiment, boîte, chaîne, forêt, fête, bientôt, hôpital, sure, goûter. And I told you that whenever this circumflex is there, it means that in old French language, there was an S after that particular vowel. And there are 2-3 examples to prove that, like hospital, after O, S was there. Now S has been removed. And because S has been removed, to show that there is a circumflex accent on O. One more was forest. S has been removed and that accent has come on E. That is circumflex. Trema is 2 dots on EIU. And I told you that once this trema is there, both vowel are together, but there will be 2 sounds, not 1, 2 sounds. Air, air is to hate, and mais, sweet corn. But when accent is not there, it's may, but is may, but with accent it is mais. Noel, Christmas. Canoe is a type of boat. Capernaum, that is a place in disorder. And ague is again a rare word where the trema is on the first vowel. Otherwise, in all other cases, it is on second vowel. So these are the examples of trema. And then Sadil was on C. When C comes before A or U. If it comes before E and I, automatically it is say and C. But in case it is coming before A or U, generally it is ka, ko, q. But if I want to have the sound of sa, so, siu, then we put Sadil accent. Garçon is boy. Français is French language, they are French. And reçu is receipt. Okay, I think this ague has got misplaced anyhow. I did not find in the presentation. So ague, I will tell you. I think the easiest one it is. It comes on E, and it starts from right to left to right, like this. It comes, and it is a sound of A. And it was école and bébé. All these examples were there. It comes only on E, the simplest accent. And the last one. In the last one, we started our counting. Je sais compter. I know how to count. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. These are the 1 to 20 counting. Les nombres या chiffres, nombre is number, and chiffre is figure. So sometimes we also use figure for numbers. And few questions. Combien de crayons as-tu? How many crayons do you have? And the answer is j'ai trois crayons. Madame, combien de livres avez-vous? See, respect, avez-vous? For you, informal juniors, as-tu? As-tu, avez-vous? J'ai these livres. Voici is here. Voila is there. Souris is rat. Bonbon is candy. Combien de is how much or how many. Je compte jusqu'à 20. I can count till 20. So jusqu'à is till. And then this was the question answer. Okay, and then plus is to plus, égal is equal, and moins is minus. What's going on? Que se passe-t-il? Que se passe-t-il? And what is your phone number? Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? Avant is before, and I told you that there's a very famous phrase, avant-garde, and sans is without, sans doute, without doubt. Je pense toujours à toi. I always think of you. Bon voyage, happy journey, and déjà vu, already seen. So I think that's it. These were the discussions of class 8. So I think we have gone through many French phrases. We have gone through l'alphabet, that is alphabets. We have gone through les jours de la semaine, days of the week, les mois de l'année, month of the year. Then we have gone through a bit counting 1 to 20. We have done the accent and what else? I think that's it. Okay, fine. So now questions time. Ananya and Shivangi, are you what you feel? Ready for the exam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ananya, what about you? One minute. Yes, Ananya. So like this, we will take a break. We will go for 8 classes, then revision and then exam. Again, 8 classes, revision and exam. So that whatever we are learning, we are going to keep it for a long time.
So how will exam happen?
Exam, so what is my plan? It is going to be online. So I will put all the questions on a screen. I will just take you through the screens and then you can answer on your copybook. Fine. And
Okay,
because you all are grown up, I know that you are going to check your memory and your understanding of French language. So I'm not going to ask you that do not copy or do not cheat. You will not do that. I know that. And then I'm going to again take you through all the answers. And wherever you will have a doubt, you will have a confusion, we will clarify that.
Okay, sir.
Questions will come from all the phrases, words and phrases of French language, maybe few informations of France. It will be based on days of the week, months of the year, alphabet, accent, and greetings. So whatever we have learned in these 8 classes, it will be from that only. And then I will take your oral test also. Oral test to find out how good you are in pronouncing all these words and phrases. That is very important. If I can speak 1 to 20 in a fast way, if I can tell all the names of the days in a fast way, in a fluent way, that's enough. That's the main thing which is required. I may ask you few questions also, like introduce yourself or como sawa type of things, right? and you should be knowing the right
Okay.
answer. So what all we have discussed in 8 classes, it is going to be based on that only. And then this first 8 classes was a bit easy one, the basic one. Now the next 8 is going to be a bit tough one. So I will request all of you that every Sunday, that is my suggestion, that every Sunday you have 3 PDFs to revise. It will take only half an hour to revise. Again, next Sunday, you'll be having 3 plus 3, 6 PDFs. Again, you will find that it will take only half an hour to revise that. So every Sunday, do not forget to revise all the old PDFs. It is 6, it is 12, it is 24, doesn't matter. Quickly, how I have taken you through all the slides one by one in 30 minutes. Similarly, you can do that. You can go faster. Then you will remember these things for a very, very long time. So what will happen, maybe if you are not having French language in your graduation or in your masters, then after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you are going to forget everything. But mark my words, the moment you will start a revision, recalling them, if you have done the proper revision when you are studying this, it will all come automatically in the most clear way. But it depends on how nicely you revise, you understand them right now. Fine. So ready for the exam, Ananya and Shivangi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I told you, once again, I'm telling that if you have any doubt, any confusion, drop the question, drop the message. Tomorrow, first half, you can talk to me on phone and you can clarify any doubt if you have. And for Arpita, Shivangi will send you all the 8 PDFs, and I will write the numbers of all 8 sessions. You can go through them, and you can start from this thing, Wednesday. You can participate in the exam. Don't worry how much you will answer, how many you will answer, how many you will not. Just leave it. And in case you have doubts in any old PDFs, you can talk to me on that. Otherwise, if I will have a second batch in future, then I will take you through 1 to 8 in the classroom also. Fine. But it's not tough one. The first 8 was very easy. The basic ones, I think you will revise it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right then. So I think that's it for today. We are going to meet on Wednesday at 5 p.m. for the exam. Thank you very much. Good day. Bye-bye and take care.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye, sir.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.